So 1995.
60 series, 6-speed, non-slide.
Country coach conversion.
Country coach conversion. I'm third owner. Second, third
Twice
owner.
removed.
Traded it back and forth a couple times. But you know, overall, the couple we bought it from in 17, I don't want to say the original owners, but Gene and Betty, the elderly couple, took really great care of it, and just were getting too old to enjoy, or too old to safely enjoy it. But they would go from Wisconsin to Yuma, Arizona is where they went. But so yeah, we've had it since 17, or in our family of friends since 17. And it's dated, but it's cool. Sorry, you can look in there.
It's very cool. I'm not touching anything with my legs. It's a big sink.
Yeah,
quite a bit of counter space.
Yeah, microwave.
Oh,
There's
yeah, microwave's hidden in the cabinets. That's pretty cool.
Like a stove top, a flat top. It had dishwasher and trash compactor. Gene took that out and added drawers down here, and then shelves. Got rid of those two items because the dishwasher, you know, back in '95. But yeah, there's just storage. I mean, just every little nook and cranny is storage.
That's the fancy little buttons.
Yeah, there's a button for everything. At the end of the day, I walk around. There's one main house kill, but I still, walk through and make sure everything's off. But from multiple places, you can turn things on, off. It's a central vac.
Central vacuum. That's it.
Yeah. Now, to the left, it was washer, dryer, in a closet, like a clothes wardrobe type thing. And Jewel, from before me, has 2 daughters, and so he, we don't need washer dryer, and we don't need this, to hang suits up in. So they removed it and did bunks for his daughters. And then we still need to do some nice curtains, individual blackout curtains for it. But
big shower. It's got a curved door.
Yeah.
It's actually a big bathroom, and the bedroom looks big too. Is that a queen size or is that a full size?
I think it's like an RV queen or something where it's a little shorter at the end. And then it lifts up, and there's storage underneath it, and storage in the back.
Got the mirror on the ceiling, huh?
Yeah. And I've got 3 valances out of it for being covered. There's one to the left. You can kind of see a little gap between the ceiling there, and then there's 2 up front that are home. But where's the...
It's very nice, George.
Well, I want my 4104 as well. But Jennifer and I have enjoyed it.